Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 8th standard, chapter number 5, data handling is there. In your data handling, you learn about in your previous class, the data handling, the meaning of data, and also bar graph, pictograph, double bar graph, and also histogram. And also you learn about in the data handling also, you learn about the group data and ungrouped data, and also in the group data also mean, mode, median also here. No problem. Today you learn about only circle graph or otherwise pie chart is the pie chart. You learn about pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph, and also histogram is the. Today only learn about only pie chart. Where you can see the pie chart. Pie chart is this like is the only pie chart. In the circle only we can circle only pie chart. Your chapter is data handling is the collection of information is called data. You can collection of information and shown in that circle only, or shown in the circle. Therefore, this is one circle is the this like is the therefore this is one pie chart is the only example of pie charts. This is 7th standard, 8th standard, 6th standards, and 9th standard is the this arrangement is present of 4 class students, present of 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th class students. 9th class students is the today present only 9th class students. This is 50% students. This is 60%. This is also. This is not 30 is there. This is 60 is there. This also 20 is there. This is 40 is there. 40%, 20%, 30%, 60, 90. This is 10% is there. Only 10%. The sum of all percentage is 100 is there. 30% is 40. 40 plus 40 is 80. 80 plus 10 is 20 is 100. Therefore, this like a percentage is there. And also you learn about in your earth, in the earth, in the spherical space is the in your earth. Therefore, 75% is water. Only remaining 25% is land is there. This is like also your pie chart is there. Okay, you can construct the information or collection of information in the graphically rearrangement. This graph is only circular graph or otherwise pie chart is there. This is like pie chart. Otherwise, this like also here. Therefore, one circle is there. Therefore, one circle. This is one portion. This is one portion. The water is the water, and this side is what? Sand. Sorry, sand is the. This side is oil is the oil. This side is earth. Land is the land. Water. This is also one pie chart is the. This like pie charts are here. You can study about some examples on pie chart. First example is one example is the draw pie chart by the given table. This table is given. You can construct the pie chart. This information. This also data is a collection of information. This information is some flavors are chocolate flavors, vanilla flavors, and also other flavors are here. But 50% is flavors interest in only chocolate flavors. But 25 students favorites in only vanilla flavors. Whatever other flavors are only 25% is interested. You can construct the one pie chart. This data. This data, first of all, there are two steps are here. Again, you can write one table also. One table is what? One side is flavor. Flavors. Next, the students percentage. Students percentage of percent of the preferred flowers. Students in percentage of preferring the flowers, and also in fractions. The last one is in 360 degree. Fractions of 360. fractions of 360. First, second, third, fourth column is most important in your table. These four tables are most important. First, we construct the table. This is most important. Therefore, the given table is what? Given table is this like this table is a collection of information. Some students interesting flavors. Chocolate flavors interesting only 50% students. Vanilla flavors are only 25% student. Next, other flavors are only 25% student is interested. You can write the tables only. Next, therefore, first one is what? Chocolate is the chocolate. The next one is what? Vanilla. The next other flavors. Next, chocolate percentage. How much percentage is there? 50%. Next, vanilla 25%. What up next? Others 25%. Got it? This is your table. Next, in fraction. In fraction is what? In total is what? Therefore, 50% is how much percentage? Total is what? Total sum. Therefore, total is what? 50 plus 75 is 50 plus 75 is 75. 75 plus 25 is 100 is the total percentage is 100. Therefore, 5500 is equal to 1 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5 twos are 1/2 ratio. In the fraction is what? 1/2 is the. What about next? This one 25% is fractions. You can write the fractions. Therefore, 25 divided by 100. Therefore, 25 ones are 25 fours are. This part fraction is 1/4 is the. Again, same as it is 25% by 100 is what? 1/4 fraction is the. In the pie chart is you can take the circle. Therefore, it's like circle. You can take circle, otherwise the compass. Take one circle. Therefore, this is one circle is the. In the circle, you can mention first we can make given radius. Therefore, next, how much percentage of 360 degree? The total angle of 360 circle is 360 degrees. But dividing into 3, first one is what? 50% is what? That is 50%. That is half of the circle. This is what? This portion is 180 degree. Therefore, 1/2 into total 360 degrees that is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree, that is chocolate. Chocolate is only 180 degree. Chocolate percent is only 180 degree. This is 180 degree. What about next? Remaining 25, that is 25 1/4 into 360 degree is equal to 4 ones are 4 nines are. Therefore, 90 degrees. This is 90 degree. Exactly 90 degrees. Therefore, exactly 90 degree. You can take the protractor also. You can use protractor. Therefore, this is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is what? Vanilla. This is what? Other is the. Therefore, this is your construction of pie chart. This is what? Chocolate. How much percentage? 50%. This is 25%. This is also 25%. Got it? This is your pie chart of the data. Got it? Next one example. Second question. In this question, already graph is given, pie chart is given, and also question is going to only ask 3 questions. And adjoining pie chart gives the expectation in the percentage on the various items and savings of the family during the month. In the pie chart, first one is 25% only expected food only. Food for 25%. Next 20% is others. 5% is only transpose. 10% is house rent. Next 50% education of children's. Next 15% savings. Only 10% only clothes. Therefore, this question is the adjoining the pie charts gives the expectation of our various items and savings in your family during the month. Monthly income. In the monthly income, there is expectation of the family. Okay. The question is what? First question: on which items the expectation is more or maximum? Which expectation more is the? Only food is more. Food. This answer is what? For only food. For food. That is more is the how much? 25% is expenditure. 25%. What about next? Expenditure on which item is equal to the total saving. In the total month, that family is saving only 50% only saving. This saving amount which expenditure to equal is that is equal to the education for children. This is equal to education for children. Answer is what? Education for children. This is equal to. This is also 50%. 50%. Saving is 15%. This is equal to education of children also 50% expenditure. Therefore, this question is the expenditure on the which item equal to the total saving. That is education for children. What about next? If the monthly savings of the family is 3,000 rupees, what is the monthly expenditure on the cloth? On the cloth is the okay. Next one is cloth. Cloth is what? Therefore, third question: if the monthly savings of the family is 3,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. Therefore, in the monthly expectation of the cloth, expectation of the cost is 10% is the therefore 10% is what? The answer is 3,000 divides 3. Divides 3 is the therefore that is 3, that is only 30,000. 30,000 or 3,000. Check yourself once again. 30 or 3. Therefore, that is not 30,000. Only 3,000 is 3,000. Only 3,000. Therefore, 3,000 divides 15% into 10%. Reducing 10%. Only the explanation of cloth. Therefore, 15 ones are 15 twos are 2,000. 200 into 10 means that is 2,000. 2,000 is only expenditure of the cloth is that. This is your only direct question is that. Okay. The next question. Next question is construction of pie chart is the on a particular day the sales in rupees the different items of the bakery shop the given below. Ordinary bread is 320 rupees. Fruit bread is 80 rupees. Cakes and pastas is 160 rupees. But biscuits is 120 rupees. But others is 40 rupees. You can construct the pie chart. Okay. Solution. This pie chart is most important. That is 4 marks questions in your examination. Solution. First of all, you can construct the table. The what? First side is what? Items are here. One side is rupees is there. Therefore, one side is items. Next one is rupees is the rupees. What about next? Rupees in fractions. Rupees in fractions. Rupees in fractions. Fractions is the next one is what? 360 degree. Which one is what? 360 degree. Central angle. Central angle of 360 degree. That is central angle of 360. Central angle or otherwise 360 degree. Convert to 360. This is your table. Main important 4 steps. The 4 solutions. This is over. First one item is what? First item ordinary bread. Ordinary. What about second one? Fruit bread. Next third one, cake. cakes and pastas. What about next one? Biscuit. Last one, others. How much is that? Okay, got it. How much rupees? Ordinary biscuit 320 rupees. 320. Fruit bread 80 rupees. Cake and pastas 160 rupees. Biscuits 120 rupees. Others 40 rupees. What is the total amount? Total is equal to 0. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 12, 18, 22. Next, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3, 4, 720 is the, writing the all amount in the fractions. 320 by 720. Therefore, 320 by 720 is equal to the fractions. 0 ones are cancel. Next, cancellation is what? 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 16 by 36. Therefore, 2 ones are 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Right. Next, 2 4s are 2 9s are 4 by 9 is fraction. 4 by 9 is fraction. This 4 by 9 is fraction. What is the percentage in your 360 degree? Therefore, 360 degree into or otherwise 4 by 9 into 360 degree is equal to 9 ones are 9 fours are 46. 4 fours are 16. 160 degree. 160 degree is the 160 degree. What about next second one? Fruits and spreads. 80 rupees is the 80 rupees of fractions. 80 by 720 is equal to 0 0 cancel. 8 ones are 8 nines are 1 by 9 is our fraction. 1 by 9 is fraction. We can convert to 360 degree. 1 by 9 into 360 degree is equal to 9 ones are 9 fours are 36. Therefore 40 into 1 40 degree angle only. 40 degree angle. What about third one? Cake and pastas. 160 degree is the 160 rupees. 160 divided by 720. This fraction is 0 0 cancel. The next one is what? 2 8s are 60. 2 36 are 8 by 36. The next 2 4s are 2 9s are. Therefore, this answer is what? 160 is the 160 is equal to 16 divides. Therefore, this is not 9. 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 8s are. Therefore, 4 by 18. Therefore, 2 by 9 is your fractions. 2 by 9 is the, you can take 360 degree. 2 by 9 into 360 degree is equal to 9 ones are 9 40s are 40s are 80%, 80% or 80 degree. 80 degree. What about next one? 120 degree. 120 rupees. 120 rupees divides to 720 is equal to 1 0 cancel. 1 0 cancel. 2 6 2 36. Therefore 6 by 36 is equal to 6 1 are 6. 6 1 by 6 is the 1 by 6 is a fraction. You can write to 160 degree. 1 by 6 into 360 degree is equal to 6 1s are 6 6. Therefore 60 degree is the 60 degree. 60 degree. What about last one? Last one is 40 rupees is the, therefore 40 rupees divides 720 rupees. 0 0. 4 by 72. Therefore 4 1s are 4. 4 8s are 4 8s are 32. 1 by 18. Therefore 1 by 18 is the fraction. 1 by 18 into 360 degree is equal to 18 ones are 18 2s are 36. 20 degree, only 20 degrees. This is your data. You can addition of all these angles, that is 360 is the 20 plus 80 is 100. 100 is the 60 plus 40 is 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 160 is 360 is the right is the. Okay. Next you can take the circle. Circle is that is also most important. Construction of circles, that is you can take suitable radius, take the center, how much, and also you can take the protector. You can take the protector, you can draw the angles. The first of all you can take A. You can take 160 degree. 160 degree. You can take the protector. Using the protector, you can construct 160 degree angle. 160 degree angle. This is what? Ordinary bread. Bread is there. Ordinary bread. 160 degree. This is how much is that? Right. Next one is what? 40 degree. Next, this is A, this is B. OB from only 40 degree. This is 40 degree. Only which one is what? Fruits. Fruits, bread. Fruit bread. What about next? Cake and pastas 80 degrees. That is 80. This is 80 degree. That is fruit science. Sorry, cake. Cakes and pastas. Pastas. Next one is what? 60 degrees there. 60 degree. This is 60 degree. What is what? Biscuit. Biscuits. Next is 20 degrees. That is others. This is your pie chart. This is your pie chart. This slide pie chart is most important. You can practice more pie charts in your example in your homework, and also practice exercise also. Pie chart is most important. Next concept is what? That is dear students, in this data handling, the last concept is chance and probability. What is the meaning of chance and probability? You learn about anybody know probability? Concept of probability. In the real world example, so many probabilities are here. Dear students, the basic concept of only probability is most important also in your daily life also here. In your IPL season is in the IPL season, that is RCB is win or loss, that is probability. Yesterday RCB match is win, but KKR is loss is that. But today which match is that? I don't know. Maybe you can consider India and Pakistan match is that. India and Pakistan match. Some students are asked, oh yes, India is exactly win. But some students are, oh no, India is loss. This like is that. But probability is only imagination is that. Imagination, that is probability. Or otherwise, probability is only approximate values only. Approximate. For example, maybe my percentage in your 10th standard, that is 95%. Or otherwise, I will ask some question this like only. Today, I went to America. I will take the copy with your Abraham Lincoln. That is also impossible. That is possible. Impossible is that. That is only probability. Approximate is that. Or otherwise, today I get more money. That is also impossible. Or otherwise, probability only. And also in your any competitive examinations, I got out of 4 marks. That is also probability. Or otherwise, in your sports competitions, in your running competitions, I got first prize. That is also probability. That is also impossible. Yes or no, no problem. Or otherwise, in your when the toss the coin, that is head or tail, no problem. Some students are take head, but some students are take tail. That is impossible. That is not considered only exactly. The probability meaning is only imagination or approximate values. That is not perfectly. That is called probability. For example, the first example number 1, toss the coin. Toss the coin. How many results are outcomes? Only 2 results. One is head or otherwise tail. But that is not particular. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೇಲ್ ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಡ್, ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಇನ್ನಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಗೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್, ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಟಾಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಟ್ರೂ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಟ್ರೂಲೇ ಐತಿ, ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಚೀಟಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೀಟಿ ಹಾಕಟ್ಟ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕಟ್ಟ ತೋರ್ ಚೀಟಿ ಅಂತ ಚೀಟಿ ಅಂತ, ಅದ್ರಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್, ಟ್ರೂತ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಾದ್ಯಂತವಾಗಿ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಒನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಜಗತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ probability is the probability when the toss the coin, a single coin, the two results are here. One is head, one is tail. What about when, example number 2, when toss the two coins, how many results are here? Two coins at a time, how many results are here? One result is therefore so many, four results are here. Four results. One result is head. Two coins head. Otherwise, one result is tail. ನಮಗೆ head ಬರ್ಬೋದು, tail ಬರ್ಬೋದು, otherwise head tail, otherwise tail head. ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಮನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚಕ್ಕ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಚಕ್ಕ ಆಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತಾ, 2 ಬರ್ತಾ, 3 ಬರ್ತಾ, 4 ಬರ್ತಾ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಒಮ್ಮೆ 4 ಚಕ್ಕನ ಹೋಗಿದಾಗ 1 ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ 2 ಬರ್ಬೋದು, 3 ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ 4 ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, when the toss the coin, 2 coins extra, then only 4 outcomes are here. 4 outcomes. First outcomes is head, second outcomes is tail, third one is HT and TH. These all are outcomes, results are here. What it? Only probability or chance. How many chances are here? Or otherwise toss. Example 3, toss 3 coins. 3 coins once. 3 coins toss ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ head, or otherwise head, tail, or otherwise head, tail, head, or otherwise tail, head. Got it? Or otherwise tail, or otherwise tail, head, or otherwise tail, head, tail, or otherwise head, tail. These types of results are outcomes. 8 results are here. How many results are outcomes? 8 results are outcomes. When toss the 3 coins at a time, that is 8 outcomes results are here. Or otherwise, you know about in your real world example, in your home, or otherwise in your neighbors game, that is snakes game, Sudoku. It's like the dice is there. When they throw the dice, how many results are outcomes? In the dice, totally 6 results are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. 6 results are outcomes in your snake Sudoku plane. That is only. Next question is what? Example number 3, and throw the dice. How many outcomes? How many outcomes results are here? Only 6 results are here. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Or otherwise, when throw the 2 dice at a time. 2 dice at a time. When throw the 2 dice. How many results are outcomes? In the dice, 6 outcomes are here. Therefore, 1 result is 1, or otherwise 1 2, 1 dice is 1, 1 dice is 1. 1 dice is 1, or otherwise 1 is 2 is 1. Or other 1 3, or other 1 4, or otherwise 1 5, 1 6 is 1. And also 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6 is 1. Or otherwise 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6 is 1. Or otherwise 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 5, sorry 4 4, 4 5, 4 6 is 1. Or otherwise 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6 is 1. The last one 6 1, or otherwise 6 2, or otherwise 6 3, or otherwise 6 4, or otherwise 6 5, last 6 6 is 1. Therefore, when throw the 2 dice at a time, therefore 36 outcomes are here. 36, 1 1, 1 2. This is like total 36 outcomes are here. What is? Therefore, and also some examples are in your probability also here. Some examples is like also here. One question is, in the box, some balls are here, some red balls, some 5 red balls, 5 red balls. Red balls are here. Balls. Next, 4 black balls. Black balls are here. 4 red, 5 red balls, 4 black balls. Mix all balls in the single box. Mix all balls in the single box. You can take only randomly one balls. What is the probability of red ball? What is the probability of red ball? Probability of red ball is probability of red ball is equal to only 5 by 9. Only 5. Why is red ball? That is randomly. Close your eyes. Only randomly you can take the only one ball. That is randomly. That probability only of 5 by 9. 5 by 9 is the only probability of red ball. Or otherwise, probability of black ball. Black ball is equal to what? This is red. That is only 4 by 9. 4 by 9 is that. Or otherwise, probability of blue ball. Blue ball. 0 is there because in the box no blue balls. Blue balls not here. Only red and black is there. This is like probability also here. Some examples in your textbook. Take some examples. Last question. When dice is thrown, the list of outcomes of an events are getting. Therefore, when thrown one dice, that is results are only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 results are here. In these 6 results, first question is what? The first one is prime numbers. How many prime numbers are results? 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime. Only 3 numbers, 3 results. 3, 2, 3, 5 are. And also some questions are also arising this side. What is the probability of prime number? Probability of prime number is therefore probability of prime number is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2 is the. Next, second one is what? Not prime numbers. What is the not prime? 1 is not prime, 4 is not prime, 6 also not prime. Therefore, prime number results are not prime number results are 1, 4, 6. This probability is what? That is also 3 by 6, that is therefore 1 by 2. But this is also not necessary in your 6th standard, 8th standard. Next, third one, numbers greater than 5. In the regions, which numbers are more than 5 is there? Only one number, that is 6 is more than 5, therefore only 6. And also, question is the probability of greater than 5. What is the probability of greater than 5? The probability is what? Only 1 by 6. Only one number, that is 1 by 6. What about last? Not greater than 5. Not greater than 5. Not greater than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 numbers are here. That is 4 one is what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 numbers are not greater than 5. Therefore, this probability is what? 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3 is the probability. Got it? This like probability is the, you can study about more probability in your homework. I shall continue next class.